Kalo Fatu, Malona Kai. Welcome back. We're here for dance practice. It's Atu's haircutting coming up. So we're all here at Steph's church, Ahofito, 7th-day Adventist, just to do some more dance practice. It's busy today, so we're only in here for an hour. Quick practice, quick happy birthday to the bro, and then we're off on our way. It's back to school tomorrow. Liu atu tau tamahaku ki aonga pongi, ka mate aonga term 3. So yep, so this is our 3rd dance practice for Atu's haircutting. So we're just gonna go in and see what's going on. Okay, just finished some practice. Now it's time to eat.
No, you sit down. You're gonna eat. No, sure.
Brother, how was the practice?
Oh man, 11,500 steps. Oh gosh, good to dance and just have fun and just wish for lots of dollars on the day. Nah, but good excuse to get together. So looking forward, the last football in our family. So Granny, yeah, nah, it's good. How about yourself?
Oh, I had to stretch because last time my lippy, I think. So had to warm up,
Yeah,
warm up, get warm. It's quite a
get the muscle memory activated.
Quite a rigorous, and
I think each time we do the dance, it's maybe like 5,000 steps, but it's like a hop,
yeah.
So good cardio. Need to do more.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So good way to keep warm during winter. All the families here. Got our shirts for the haircut.
Sweet, fuck forward. So are you ready, or are you still sharpening, or
For the
dance?
Nah, we're ready. It's all good. Kids will be at the back just supporting the kids. So yeah, I guess we'll get the loose change at the back. But that's one of the I guess traditions for our Niuean culture is when we do performances or when there's a special event and family will do a performance, we'll put some money on the kids or the dancers and they get to keep it. So that's pretty cool, and you know, all our shy kids get serious when the dollars come out. Good memories, because I guess once you get older, all the performance anxiety takes over and you don't want to do this stuff anymore, so just trying to stay active with the kids. Yeah, and just enjoy the family time. Do you agree, bro? Or?
Yeah, definitely a good way to stay connected with the family.
Yeah.
Catch up, learn.
I think in other cultures, when performers do a dance, the money collected goes back to the person who's having who's the special occasion is for. But in our culture, the performers get to keep the money. So you know, just a thank them for putting in the time and effort. So better get serious.
So shirts off, or?
Nah, probably not. That's where the childhood anxiety comes from. Can you boys take the shirts off? Oh man. But maybe, you know, some of the boys are looking great. So, but I think sometimes we wear paleo and a singlet, like a white singlet, and just oil up the arms. So just 2 weeks of bicep curls. Because I think it's a cool thing to think about at the time, how traditions had a practical approach and then now it's a ceremonial. But Atu's a really good young man. He's going to be a good young man, and he's a good role model for his cousins, and he's going to do great things. So it's very exciting to see the boys. They're all in their mid-teens now. Some are late teens. So they'll be on the cusp of new things. careers, studying, partners, having kids. Man, it's good. It's nice reflection to think about all the kids, how quickly they've grown from toddlers to young adults. And you know how they talk about like when our parents migrated to New Zealand and they were the first to leave their home, they took the risk to travel, come to New Zealand and see what they could make of themselves, I guess. Look after their family, and then we've all been New Zealand born, first generation New Zealand born, and most of us have got tertiary qualifications or got pretty good jobs and exploring home ownership. But then the next generation's the second generation New Zealand born. So then they have more resources behind them. They have like our lived experience behind them, so we know where the tricks to navigate anything they choose to do. And then some of us are trying to do the full circle and go back to Niuean, but none of us have made it yet, made the full circle back. And it's good that we have homes in Niuean, so we've got our new connections to the land, and we were lucky to have that privilege to travel to Niuean as kids. Like Mum and Dad took us home, but I know heaps of Niueans that sort of haven't been home, so they don't really know what it's like over there. And then the connections, we're also lucky because we just had our reunion, so we've got heaps of connections on both sides of the family. So when we go back, we see our family. But I think my first family trip back with my wife and kids, we went to Matavai. And then, I think the first two trips, and some people don't have family there. Even though we had family, but the connections weren't that close, or we didn't feel comfortable to just rock up after all these years and go, how's it going? So. It's good that we have these things. I think some people from Niue are coming to the haircutting. Mrs. Friends, so it's a big occasion. I was just looking at my pies and chicken nuggets I cooked. Oh, God, man. Yeah. So we're lucky to have Steph's church. This is Stephanie's church. She opens the door for us to come together and do our dance practice. How much time do we have? We've got another 25 minutes to go. Yeah, man, so can't complain. Are you still thinking about doing the bodybuilding for the Pulifakamotu, or?
Maybe in New Zealand.
We should do a 10-week challenge for all Tangata Niuean to lead up to the Pulifakamotu way.
Wow.
Like a big, put a public appeal out there, go, any Tangata Niuean want to jump on?
Yeah.
And try and make it a bit of a, just like a little intro into weight loss, into exercise, into well-being, because there's some cool things happening,
Well, I was thinking of starting a Niuean Bodybuilders Association, just for us, or like a fitness association, so on the week we just have one night, all the guys on shape.
There's heaps of guys, heaps of Niueans actually involved in bodybuilding, personal training, fitness industry, athletes, like heaps of sport players. So it's not a bad idea, man.
Yeah.
Because we've got the muscle there, we've got the frame, we've got the genetics, but we just need to fine tune it with the nutrition and consistency. Because it's not a 3-day diet, it's a 3-month diet.
True.
No days off, but yeah, David's keen, so but it'd be good to just get that going, because we've got heaps of talent out there, right, for such a small country. Yeah. Oh, that'd be good, man. I'm not trying to, at my age, I'm just trying to preserve as much sort of longevity, preserve as much as I can of my body. Probably looking at more functional fitness, less like weights or like free weights on the machine, trying to do pull-ups, squats, lunges, maybe a bit more cardiovascular, but a stretching, you need a stretch. That's what I want to be, just flexible. And then
did you do the, hey, in one of your first comps, you ever do the splits, eh?
Yeah, that was my signature move. The splits, yeah.
That was the showstopper.
We were amateur, real sense of amateur bodybuilders. Like, went to work, they just tried to get into the gym and they tried to do a cheap and cheerful budget diet. I wouldn't do it again. I wouldn't do bodybuilding again. I don't think I have it in me to get like right down to to consistently stay. But then in the last 5 weeks is to try and then dial it in. I want to do it. I only want to be involved if it's kind of fun. Once it gets serious, I can't.
It's unpaid. It's unpaid.
Yeah. Unless someone was going to pay me to do it, but otherwise, man, you gotta show up 8 hours a day at work. You gotta show up 24/7 for your family. If you have a mortgage, man, they're not going to delay for you to do your hobbies.
That's right.
So anybody that's getting a good, but in saying that, it's nice to even get down to like a lowish body fat. Like you don't have to
walk
have
around,
abs, but like if you just have good shoulders and arms and like just a flat stomach is nice. Like then just put some baby oil on and shave your back. But I'm sure heaps of us guys are out there going, man, we can do this. But it's cool seeing like if you want to see some hardcore Niuean athletes who have great physiques, it's Desmond Tamatoa and Billy Paya. Man, those guys are locked in Australia. It's their career, but they're competing too, eh?
I'm not sure about them.
Yeah, they're competing so
I know Dez is active.
Dez is active, man. Dez is looking good. He looks good in the off season and in his season, his peak season.
But Billy, I don't know if he's in New Zealand or Auckland or Aussie.
No, he won the Mr. Australia Natural.
No, but I've seen him with his dad sometimes, so I don't know. And he's a private guy, so.
Yeah. So there's some talent there, and if you ever put anything on, there's probably some big names like if we call him. There's a guy, Niuean. Man, he lives it, but when he was in New Zealand, he won the Auckland heavyweight division, and do you reckon he's about 6'5"?
I can't remember.
There's not many Niueans are tall, so when you see a tall bodybuilder, like, oh!
Yeah, he was playing with the 40s like nothing, when we had that training.
We worked out before back.
Yeah, well, oh, sorry.
Yeah, so dance practice should have enough steps. How many steps have you got, Dave? 8,500.
That's my choice, okay? No, you can have it.
There's no more food left now. Go home and have a chicken salad. Lily, sorry.
Alright. Okay, fuck all. Maybe we'll see you in October on stage. I mean, something going on. Fitness challenge. Hey Dave, how's the training?
Good. Training's good. Body's too strong. I want to say happy birthday, Hayden. Listen, big boy. You're awesome, man. Give it up for your job. Man, I'm so proud of you. Wish you all the best, bro. 49. Woo! 49. Wish you happy birthday, bro. 29 there. Just wanna wish you all wish you had a good day. Wish you all the best, bro. When you win now, keep your job. Stay strong, stay healthy, bro. God bless you, bro. Peace.
Oh, fuck all. Faith, here's our trainer. How's everyone looking?
Looking good, but still room for improvement. Yeah, but everyone's done really well. This is our third practice, and Atu's birthday is next week, eh? Yeah, really soon, but yeah, we got it. Everyone's doing so well. Pray it goes well.
Fuck all. What's here, Kate? Oh, fuck all it.
Buffet chips on.
Whakaalawhatu, just come back home now. Didn't really eat much because I'm back on the kumara and broccoli, can of tuna. Quick and easy. I would prefer a steak, but just starving. So I'm getting in shape as we talked earlier. I might do a get in shape for the Pule Whakamotu week. Might start something up. Do a challenge for that week. Vai usi. Okay, ke manuina to Whileweia. Li makawani. Whakolahi te tō kupu hao. Whakamuinuina e mangawhao hao. And all the best. Thanks for following and commenting. Haia to Whileweia. Whakaalawhatu. We're in another practice here. Just setting up. Got the old garlic bread. Going on there.
Chicken.
Wala more.
Cooked chicken, my packet save.
Just a snack, eh?
Just for snack. And then garlic.
Got a bit of some fruit there. Just waiting for some more people to come. Looks like we're almost there. Practice is going good. So be ready for Atu's kikiulu.
Celebrate. Okay? We'll sing happy birthday. Happy birthday.